Amid Mymensingh's chaos, traffic, crowds, and noise, the Brahmaputra offers rare peace. Aged and nearly lifeless, it revives with monsoon rains, flowing gently between two worlds. One bank suffocates under urban sprawl, its breath loud and restless. The other remains calm, green, and timeless, rural Bengal in quiet rhythm. The river seems to cradle the silence, as if the earth itself, weary of the noise, chose this tranquil side to rest. If only such days could last forever. But will the future protect this fragile beauty? Will the river continue to whisper peace between progress and memory? The answer lies not in the water, but in us.